เอาบอกซะก่อน
ผัด
เนื้อ
ผัดเนื้อ
น้ำมันหอย
น้ำมันหอย
โอเค
Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today we are in the Mafia kitchen and we are going to we are going to make pot nia naman hoi. Pot nia naman hoi. I had to say that like 5 times. Pot nia naman hoi. Okay. Anyway, we're going to make that today. So let's see what's in the ingredients. Okay, here's our ingredients. First thing we have here is sliced beef. The next thing that we have is bell pepper, which is thick one. Thick one. And here we have some Chinese celery, which is
ผักขึ้นช่าย ขึ้นช่าย
pak kun chai. Pak kun chai. Okay. And of course we have some Thai red chili peppers, plik sidang. And of course we have some garlic gatiam. Okay, let's see how we're going to make this dish. Well, first thing we're going to start out with is a little bit of oil. And we have that kind of oil.
น้ำมัน
The next thing we're going to start out is with garlic gatiam.
กระเทียม
Gatiam. Okay, in goes the beef. Beef. Seems like there's always a lot of garlic, but that's good. Garlic's good for you. Okay.
น้ำนิดหน่อย
อะไร
น้ำ
น้ำ just a little bit of water.
สุกก่อน
Wait till it's soup gone, which means let it cook first. We'll wait till it's cooked first.
ผัดมัน
Soup gone. อะไร pot.
ผัดที่อยากผัดก็ผัด
Pot.
ที่ทำก็ทำค่ะ
Pot is stir fry. Pot is vegetable. Sounds similar, but the last letter is different.
อร่อยให้มันสุกก่อน
All right, in goes some naman hoi. Naman hoi.
ซีอิ๊วขาว
A little bit of soy sauce.
ซีอิ๊วขาว
Xiao Kao soy sauce.
น้ำมันงา
Namanga, which is a sesame seed oil.
น้ำตาล
Namtan, which is a sugar. A little bit of sugar. Nitnoi.
ไม่เอาหวาน
The oyster sauce is also very sweet, so
สุกไปเลย
Okay, in goes, the vegetables always go in towards the last. She wants to put a little bit more naman hoy.
น้อยนิดหน่อยนี่เอาลงแล้วนะ
In goes the vegetables.
พริก
Of course, the best part, the chili peppers.
น้ำเนี่ย
Okay, my favorite part.
เอาชิมเผ็ดได้เผ็ดนะโอ้ไม่เผ็ดมันจะร้อนร้อน
Not gonna get me this time.
ไม่รู้จะเข้าโอ้ยพ่อก็ยังอร่อยไหมได้ไหม
I'm afraid to say aloy.
พ่อบอก
Well, aloy.
พอแล้วจะเอานี่ใส่ได้
She says I always say it's always aloy, but it is. In goes the Chinese celery.
โอ้น้ำอย่างหน่อยเลยโอ้ตายเรียบร้อยใส่จาน
Red roy is it's finished, it's complete. Red roy, something like that. Okay, ผัดเนื้อน้ำมันหอยอร่อยมาก ถูกไหม
ถูก
Okay. First try.
ถูกบุยแล้วคุณชอบเลือกเลยใช่บาทเขาเลือกเอาใช่บาท You eat it exploded นี่สิแห้งจะอืด
Oh, that's some.
มะม่วงดิบ
It's like a not ripe mango, but it's very good for digestion. Like
แห้งอืด
really good.
Yeah, but you get bloated if you eat too much.
Oh, I get bloated anyway. Let's give this a try. This is a really easy, simple dish to make. All you really need is some sliced beef. And the rest is, I think, pretty easy to find. I say that because in Thailand it's difficult to find decent beef. I hope you try it. I'm going to try it like right now. Okay, here we go. Pat nia naman hoi. Those chilies are spicy. Those are some hot chilies. Aloy. Well, that was an easy, awesome lunch. I'm full. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of No Time to Be Hungry. If you did, don't forget to give me a like. Tomorrow, me and Paige are headed into another town for another adventure. I hope you come with us. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Just click that little hamburger down the bottom. When I hit 5,000, I'm going to do the ultimate hot chip challenge live. So yeah, not looking forward to that, but if you want to see me suffer, click that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.